Welcome back to PM Path, where we make project management practical, approachable, and actionable. If you're looking to sharpen your project management vocabulary, you're in the right place. In this video, we're diving into even more essential project management terms. These concepts are the building blocks of successful projects, helping you stay organized, communicate clearly, and deliver results. As always, we'll explain each term in simple language, break down its technical meaning, and show you how it applies in real-world scenarios. Before we get started, don't forget to support the channel by clicking the like button, subscribing, and hitting the bell icon so you never miss a video. Your support helps us keep creating content for your project management journey. Let's jump right in and explore the next set of key project management terms. Work breakdown structure, WBS, a hierarchical decomposition of the project into smaller, manageable parts. Simply put, the WBS is breaking down a big project into smaller tasks. Example: for a wedding, WBS might include tasks like booking the venue, hiring a caterer, and arranging transportation. Dependency: a relationship between two tasks where one cannot start or finish until the other is done. A dependency shows how one task is affected by another task. It can refer to the start time of two or more tasks that must begin together, or whether task B should start when task A is 50% complete, or if one task cannot start before another ends. Example: you can't paint a room until it's plastered. Project charter, a formal document that authorizes a project and outlines its objectives, scope, and stakeholders. The project charter states what the project will do and will not do, as well as the resources needed to successfully complete the objective. Layperson meaning: the official permission to start the project and the summary of what it's about. Example: a project charter for a school renovation might state the goal of modernizing classrooms. Key performance indicator, KPI, a measurable value that indicates how effectively a project is achieving its objectives. A KPI is basically a number or count that shows if the project is going well. Example: a KPI for a marketing campaign might be website traffic. Earned value management, EVM. A method to measure project performance by comparing planned work with completed work and cost. EVM checks if the project is on track for time and money. Example: if you've spent 50% of the budget but only completed 30% of the tasks, you're behind. Lessons learned or learnt. Documenting what went well and what didn't after the project is completed. Essentially, these are things you learn to do, or not do, next time you are executing a project with similar circumstances. Example: realizing you should hire more people earlier in the next project. Risk register, a document listing all identified risks, their severity, and mitigation measures. In other words, a risk register is a list of potential problems and how you will deal with them. Example: for a software project, a risk might be server downtime, with a plan to use a backup server. Contingency plan, a predefined course of action to take if a risk materializes. Layperson meaning: a backup plan. Example: if a key supplier is unavailable, having a secondary supplier ready is a contingency plan. Kickoff meeting. An initial meeting where the project team aligns on objectives, scope, and roles. The first team meeting to get everyone on the same page is what project managers call the kickoff meeting. Example: discussing timelines and assigning roles in a kickoff meeting for a marketing campaign. Project schedule, a detailed timeline of tasks, resources, and deadlines. Layperson meaning: a plan showing who does what and when. Example: a project schedule for a book launch might include deadlines for editing, printing, and marketing. That brings us to the end of this video on key project management terms. We hope you found these insights helpful and ready to apply them in your projects. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to show your support by liking, sharing, and subscribing to the channel. It only takes a second, but it helps us reach more aspiring and seasoned project managers like you. And don't stop here. Join our community by leaving a comment below. Share your thoughts, questions, or even your favorite project management term. We would love to hear from you. Thanks for watching PM Path. Stay focused, stay inspired, and keep moving forward on your project management journey. See you in the next video.